Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Chrysler 300 hood. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting your car's battery and wearing appropriate protective gear. Next, gather all your necessary tools, including a socket wrench and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is on a level surface and the hood is securely propped open before you begin. Now, let's detach the components connected to the hood. Carefully disconnect the washer fluid hose and any electrical connections you find. Then, remove the hood prop rod or the gas struts that hold the hood open. Finally, locate and unbolt the hood latch mechanism from the radiator support, ensuring all attachments are free. With the components disconnected, it's time to unbolt the hood itself. You'll find the hinge bolts on each side, connecting the hood to the car's body. Use your socket wrench to carefully loosen and remove these bolts. This is where your helper becomes crucial. Have them support the hood firmly as you remove the final bolts. Once all the bolts are removed, you and your helper can carefully lift the hood straight up and away from the vehicle. Be sure to store the hood in a safe, secure location where it won't be damaged during your work. And hey, if you're looking for a great way to read your favorite books anywhere, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, plus other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.